Hello and welcome to the channel Reality Technified by Steven. In this 21st century, the Gen Z are looking for the smartest and coolest house possible. We have all heard realtors and developers saying you dream of your house and we would like to construct it for you. But have you ever imagined of getting an answer like you dream of your house and we would like to print it for you? Printing your house, you heard it right. And now it's possible when the construction industry blends with technology. Innovations of new technologies in the construction industry have leveled up and reached new heights in all positive aspects. One of these new age technologies today's video covers is about the 3D printing technology in the construction industry, which has created a wave of buzz for the past few decades. 3D printed homes sound very smart and too cooler that once in a very popular report, Icon CEO mentioned that 3D printed homes could be the Teslas of housing in the near future. Hearing about printed homes, the first thing comes to our mind is that is it really possible? And importantly, where does this technology stand in the coming future? In the early 1980s, the 3D printing technology was invented catering the purpose of manufacturing construction of structural members and buildings. That is, a 3D printer printing houses layer by layer, more simply a robotic arm moving back and forth, tracing its designed path and pouring the concrete appropriately. This technique has been widely used in the United States of America, in the United Kingdom, Australia, Dubai, China, leaving its mark in between the conventional methods, proving its sustainability. Architects can utilize this technique in the designing of complex plans, which would give them the freedom to design, as this technique of 3D printing reduces the complexity faced by laborers. In this 21st century where there is a high value of deadline for completing work, this technique evaluates the factor of speed. This technique along with the precast and prefabricated construction techniques shares a good agreement in reducing the wastage of materials, as it uses only the amount of material which is required, making 3D printing technology one of the eco-friendly techniques. Future scope of 3D printing technology in the construction industry seems to be blooming and scaling the industry in the right way. As this technique involves usage of heavy automated machinery, currently this technique proves to be expensive as compared to its competing construction techniques. But as this technique makes its root more deep in the industry and increase its use case, it will surely be economical. India looks forward in this technique in a very positive approach, as IIT Madras has initiated the usage of this technique by creating a prototype and accelerating the construction industry, blending it with technology. Do like, share and subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more such amazing videos.